Let me be the one to tell you, you've been making Jiffy wrong. Today we're making the most delicious honey butter cornbread. I'm going to show you guys how to elevate this box. Let's get into it. To begin, I have my oven preheating on 400. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons unsalted butter to my cast iron. I'm going to place it in there. To a bowl, I'm going in with 2 boxes of Jiffy cornbread. Pour that in. Just like so. Next, I'm going in with 2 large eggs. Next, I'm going in with about 3 tablespoons of sour cream. Yes, this is a must-have, okay? You gotta have it. And also, I'm going in with some cream of corn. Yes, you heard me. A lot of people were skeptical about this when I made this recipe on my Facebook, but trust the process, okay? Next, I'm going in with some buttermilk. That's right, pour that in. And then you're going to give that a nice, generous mix. Now we're going to mix that really good. Now don't over mix it. Now is the time to grab your cast iron in the oven. Oof. Now we're going to transfer it to our cast iron, just like this. Okay. Nice and buttery, just how we like it. Now we're going to bake this on 400 for about 20 minutes. The cornbread is finally done. Come take a look, y'all. All right, guys, this is how you do the honey butter, okay? I like to go in with a fork, just poke the cornbread just like this. Not too much, just here and there. Once you're done, I have some melted butter, unsalted, okay? Drizzle a little bit of butter on top. It's gonna be nice and buttery. And the cornbread is just going to soak all that butter, make it even more tasty. And I have some honey that I'm going to drizzle. Yes, just like so. Oh my goodness, this is going to be so delicious. Yes, yes, yes. Now you add as much honey as you like, okay? And that is it. Let's cut into it. All right, guys, it's time for my favorite part. Let's give it a try. Listen, I have no words. So good, so moist, buttery. This is so good. That's all I can say. Wow. Listen, this right here is a must try. Hope you give it a try. And don't forget to comment down below, what are you pairing this with? And also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.